Well, hello, my algebra students. I'm still stuck at home with the COVID. Hey, I might hold the record of having the COVID most in America. I hope not. That's depressing. Let's start off with a little review of what we've been doing lately. So, simplify these for me, please, and then turn me back on. So freeze the video, do these 3 problems, and then turn me back on. I said freeze the videos, then turn them back on. Mercy. Okay, so to reduce these or simplify them, they're just fractions, you need to factor it. So the top we'd factor is x plus 2, x plus 2. So what are the factors of 4 that add up to 4? Well, 2 and 2. The bottom, factor out a 3. So cancel the x plus 2's. So we have x plus 2 over 3. Here, factor the top. What are the factors of 6 that add up to 5? That's 3 and 2. Last terms have a plus, so both sides are the same and you're adding. Here, factor, this is the difference of 2 squares. Square minus 9 is a square. That's x plus 3, x minus 3. So the x plus 3 is going to, whoa. So it's x plus 2 over x minus 3. Now this one, last term's minus, so you're subtracting. You're not adding, you're subtracting. So it'd be x, last term's minus, so what do you multiply, get 4, but subtract to get 3. So the signs are not the same. Larger factors the same as this sign. So how about 8 and 5? And 8 is the largest one, so it goes here. Okay, this last term is plus, so you're adding the factors. What do you add to get 6? But you multiply to get 5, and that is 5 and 1. The x plus 5's cancel. So it'd be x minus 8 over x plus 1. Wow, that was fun. 2 more problems to do. Find the undefined. So freeze the video, do those 2 problems, then turn me back on. He said freeze the videos, then turn them back on. Okay. So the undefined is when the denominator is 0. So I factor the denominator. That's all I need to worry about, the bottom. So what do you put in for x that would cause this to be 0? Now you could set it equal to 0 and solve it. So x plus 4 equals 0. X minus 4 equals 0. So subtract 4. Add 4. Oh, I put y there. It's supposed to be x. So the undefined would be 4 or negative 4 because they cause the denominator to be 0 when you put them in for x. Now some books call them restrictions. Other books call it other things. But I like undefined. Okay, this one, factor again, so it'd be x minus 4, x plus 3, if you remember how to factor. So you'd have x minus 4 equals 0, x plus 3 equals 0. So add 4, x equals 4, subtract 3, x equals negative 3. Yay. Okay, last thing I want you to do for this video, of course I have another one coming, how exciting. I want you to find the zeros. Now remember, to find the zeros, you got to make sure it does not cause it be undefined either. So freeze the video, do the 2 problems, then turn me back on. He said freeze the video, then turn them back on. Do the problems. Thank you. Okay, I hope you actually froze and did the problems, because watching me do them only helps a little bit. So, what numbers can I not use for the zeros? Well, I have x plus 2 equals 0 or x minus 2. Whatever causes the denominator to be 0, I cannot use. So that would be negative 2 or 2. Add 2 to both sides. Now, the 0 is what causes the top to be 0, so I would divide by 4. So my 0, I'll just put z, is 0. If I put 0 in, 4 times 0 is 0. Does not cause the bottom to be 0, so I am okay. Next one. Oh, I put the same bottom on, so we already know the undefined. It's 2 or negative 2. Now, let's find the zeros. So x squared plus 3x plus 2 equals 0. Factored up. Now, you could have factored it first and then said it equal to 0. I have no problem with that. So you'd have x plus 2 equals 0. X plus 1 equals 0. Subtract 2, x equals negative 2. Subtract 1, x equals negative 1. Now, can I use negative 2 and can I use negative 1? That's the question. Well, the undefined says you may not use negative 2. Don't use it. Bad. So I cannot use it. So therefore my answer is negative 1. So hey, there you be. Have a good day.